my name is Cavin Ralph and I'm a lecturer in mechanical engineering. Whenever I was young, I always had a really keen interest in technology, machinery, how things worked, whether it was mechanical or electrical. So even as a child, I was always taking things apart in my dad's garage and then seeing how they worked and then seeing if I could actually put them back together again. But my biggest hobby actually probably is rebuilding Land Rover Defenders. So that's stripping them completely down till there's essentially nothing left of them and then building them back up and making them nice and new and fresh. So I absolutely have a love for working practically on things, as well as learning about the theoretical side behind the different engineering practices available. At the moment, my main teaching responsibilities is teaching first and second year students how to do computer-aided design, also known as CAD, and also looking at taking that even further into master's level, looking at composite materials. So right from first year, I think it's always really key to get students engaged in the content that they're looking at. So getting that one-to-one contact with those students, particularly during class. So I don't like just getting up and standing in front of the room and just speaking to them. I like to actually go around, work with them one-to-one, see what their interests are, see what works best for them, how they like to learn, and getting them actually involved in the content that's being taught. And I found that that really does help the students actually to engage more in the work, and it also helps them learn a lot better and understand the content that's being taught. So within all engineering courses at Ulster University, there is a compulsory 12 months placement that they take within either local industry or industrial companies across the world. And it is a crucial aspect of the engineering course. So it's where students actually get to practice the skills that they've learned through first and second year, and also learn that knowledge from the companies where they conduct their placement in. It offers an excellent opportunity for students, so they do get paid within that 12 months period that they're out on placement. But the key point is that they're developing their skills and knowledge. So personally, from my experience, I conducted my placement at Triumph Motorcycles in England, looking at the design and manufacture of one of the only UK manufacturers of motorcycles. And I absolutely, honestly loved the placement opportunity that I had there. I was very fortunate to be offered at the time a dream job to work with Jaguar Land Rover once I graduated. And obviously having a massive passion in Land Rovers, it was a really hard decision for me to turn it down, but I decided to pursue the opportunity of a PhD here at Ulster because I loved it that much. I loved the environment and the skills that I could potentially develop through that. It was a difficult decision, but worthwhile.